The 2026 Toyota Century represents the pinnacle of Japanese automotive luxury, a symbol of quiet prestige and masterful engineering that has endured for decades. While the global luxury market is dominated by names like Rolls-Royce and Bentley, the Toyota Century stands as a unique offering, deeply rooted in Japanese culture and values. It's not a car designed for the spotlight or flamboyance, but rather for those who prefer understated elegance and unwavering refinement. The 2026 model continues this legacy, bringing with it subtle yet significant enhancements that maintain its reputation as one of the most exclusive vehicles on the road. Unlike many luxury sedans that try to impress with aggressive styling and ostentatious interiors, the Toyota Century carries a sense of dignity and respect. The design philosophy is minimal yet stately. The 2026 version continues with a familiar silhouette that hasn't drastically changed for decades, honoring tradition while incorporating modern touches. Its boxy shape, large grille, and finely detailed headlamps are deliberate design choices that speak more about status and restraint than flashiness. The new model features a slightly updated front fascia and revised tail lamps, but these changes are intentionally modest. Toyota understands that Century buyers value consistency over trendiness. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Century remains focused on smooth performance rather than raw power. It is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 hybrid powertrain that combines traditional engine performance with electric motor support for a quieter, more efficient ride. This hybrid system isn't meant for spirited driving, but instead ensures a near-silent operation, especially at low speeds, which is essential in maintaining the vehicle's serene cabin atmosphere. With a total output of around 425 horsepower, it has more than enough strength to glide effortlessly, but it never feels aggressive or hurried. The ride quality is where the Century truly sets itself apart. It utilizes advanced air suspension systems that absorb road imperfections with unmatched grace. The result is an exceptionally smooth and floaty ride, reminiscent of the classic luxury cars of the past. The cabin is insulated to such a degree that even the outside world's harshest noises struggle to reach inside. Rear passengers are treated to a first-class experience, with seats that recline, massage, and offer controls for climate, audio, and window shades. Every material used inside the car is carefully selected, from the hand-stitched leather to the finely grained wood accents. For customers in Japan, the option of traditional wool upholstery, considered more appropriate and respectful in some formal settings, remains available, further underlining the car's cultural roots. Unlike typical luxury sedans, the Century is often chauffeur-driven. This is evident in the way Toyota has prioritized the rear seating area. The rear right seat, for example, can recline almost flat and even includes a footrest that extends from the front passenger seat. It's less a seat and more a throne, designed for dignitaries, executives, and members of the imperial family. This focus on passenger comfort over driver engagement is a deliberate choice that reflects the car's purpose. Technology in the 2026 Century is sophisticated but discreet. It features all the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and parking assistance. However, everything is integrated in a way that does not overwhelm or distract from the core experience. Even the infotainment system is designed to blend into the cabin without becoming a centerpiece. The screens are bright and clear, but never dominate the space. Voice control and physical buttons remain, ensuring ease of use for all ages. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of the Toyota Century is its exclusivity. It is not exported widely, with the Japanese domestic market being its primary target. This adds to its mystique, making it a rare sight even in luxury circles. The production process is also highly specialized, with many parts assembled by hand by skilled artisans, known in Japan as takumi. The result is a vehicle that feels less like a mass-produced product and more like a tailor-made suit. In recent years, Toyota has introduced new variants, including an SUV version of the Century, to appeal to changing consumer tastes. However, the 2026 sedan version sticks to its roots, offering a timeless alternative to modern luxury trends. For those who understand and appreciate its philosophy, the Century offers something that no German or British rival can quite match: a uniquely Japanese interpretation of ultimate comfort and dignity. Ultimately, the 2026 Toyota Century isn't about impressing others, it's about satisfying oneself with the finest, most thoughtful luxury available. It's a car for those who have nothing to prove, and everything to enjoy. While it may not shout for attention, it commands respect in silence. And that, perhaps, is the greatest luxury of all.